hoopers, I'm going to show you how to do a one-handed, one-armed coin flip. From the back. So I'm going to use my dominant hand, which is my right hand, and I'm going to swing the hoop up to the opposite side of my neck, so my left hand side of my neck. So I'm going to bring it and fold. I'm going to make sure that I touch it. So bang, touching it. And when I touch it, if I'm to look forward, I should be right in the middle here, like so. If you look at my hand, when I do it, I'm going to really fold my hand, flick my hand, allowing the hoop to fold behind on the back of my neck and appear on the other side. So right hand over to left, and it will appear on the other side. Okay, so as I said, I'm really folding it, using my wrist, really folding it like this on to my neck, and it will fold onto there. So, okay, and it will appear here. Good. Now, coin flips love points of contact. So as soon as it touches something, you can kind of lay the road for it wherever you want it to go. So it's important to remember that. So as I do my coin flip on here, and it comes around the back, if I extend my arm, it's going to make contact with my arm and it's going to flip down it. Now, if I extend my arm and then get grabby, or if I extend my arm and then move it away before it's at a certain point, or decide to move my arm over here or up, or whatever, then it might not go to plan. So just think about that. Once it's kind of crawling, you can move your arm like I do in the folded one, because I've already got it on that point of contact, so I can then take it wherever. But with this one, because you want it to go down, you want to try and keep your arm pretty straight. Okay? So. And it's because when it's coming round here, it's hitting my back, it's making contact with the top of my shoulder, which my arm is attached to. So when my arm gets stuck out, it knows that it's going to go down there. Okay, that wasn't very good because I moved my arms. Don't move your arm. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. So up and extend and catch. Don't get grabby. It will go down your arm and you will be able to catch it. And then there's like a whole heap of other things you can do and add into it at your own will. Enjoy and show me what you do with it. Thank you.